working on my dating app. It's called Barrel Scraper.
American Dad!
Scraping the bottom of the barrel?
Every Monday!
Oh no, I forgot about that phrase.
Oh, scraping the bottom of the barrel!
This is my show.
Something to prove. AEW Wednesday Night Dynamite at 8 on TBS.
Whopper, 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 Junior, Double, Triple, Whopper, Impossible or Bacon Whopper, I rule this day. MBK, have it your way.
Are you the one others rally around? Inspire soldiers to follow your lead. See your vision clearly, get there decisively. Explore more than 200 careers at GoArmy.com.
Surprised you want sugar. Wakanda.
Together or separate? If you get this wrong, there'll be no second date. No second date, you end up alone. Just like the psychic said.
And together.
Cool.
Someone tried to steal your Butterfinger this Halloween. Call the BFI. No one lays a finger on your Butterfinger.
It's big, it's back, and it's still $6. Get the big box y'all love today.
Love that chicken from Popeye. You said close your eyes, don't look down. Fall into
Celebrate every kiss with 20 to 40% off engagement, wedding, and anniversary rings. Only at K.
Restructured pork patty sandwich. Arby's real country style rib sandwich. Old, new. Oh man. Oh man. Arby's, we have the meat.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
What if we...
What is that? Hey, Lexus, turn it up.
There's no place like unknown. The all-new Lexus RX. Never lose your edge.
Have you seen my new phone yet? It's like folds in half.
I would never switch to Samsung. I love my phone.
What? Folds in half.
You see, I love my phone. I would never switch to Samsung.
Introducing Domino's new leftovers. It's the same delicious pizza you expect from Domino's, but instead of eating it all tonight, you save some for tomorrow. Sure, it's hot and melty and really delicious, but resist the temptation and you have Domino's leftovers. Domino's leftovers are delicious straight from the toaster oven. They're delicious straight from the skillet.
Who eats cold pizza?
Right now, you can try Domino's leftovers yourself and you get 2 medium 2-topping pizzas for $6.99 each. Enjoy one tonight, love one tomorrow.
This season, give love, give style with the perfect gifts from Macy's Friends and Family sale. Get an extra 30% off top brands for the holidays, plus 15% off beauty, fragrances, gift sets, and more. Now at Macy's.
New degree advanced. First ever 72-hour nonstop protection with motion sense. Tested to the limit. Still feeling dry and fresh. Superior 72-hour nonstop protection, however much you move.
Asking what will Pop-Tarts do is how you get from toasting jam to that's my jam. From Sunday to Sunday. So, like, what will Pop-Tarts do here? Yeah, that feels right.